Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove the standard windshield and replace it with a larger A7WS windshield. So to remove this standard windshield, we just need to squeeze it in and then twist and take it out. So remember, you need to squeeze it in. If you don't squeeze it in, it will be very difficult to remove. And so just gonna need to really squeeze it hard and then kind of like twist at the same time. And you can see as soon as I squeeze and then pull, then the plastic at the base will starting to come off. Okay, so once it is removed, we can now use the Velcro stripes right here and stick on the base. Now you don't need to. This one seems to be fitting quite nice and steady, but you can, if you wanted to, you can place this Velcro sticker. So it is recommended that you place 1 inch away from the base, so just around here. So I'm just going to place it right here so that it aligns with the button here. It looks nicer. Then we're going to turn it around, and I'm going to place the other Velcro on the other side. Again, be around 1 inch away from the base. And next, we're just going to place a larger windshield onto it. So we need to kind of like stretch over that Velcro, kind of like pull it out, and then place it over the top. Again, on this side as well, we need to kind of like pull it out, and then place it over the top. And that will help to keep the larger windshield steady on your microphone. And that's it. So that's how you can replace a standard windshield with a larger windshield for your Shure SM7B microphone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.